Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7d and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, a string on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the device, right over here. Now you can see we have two different holes, and actually more than that, about ones that are about the same diameter as this pin. So you're interested in the one that is part of this cutout. So right near the corner. I want to push this pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now I actually seem to be capping right here, so we don't have SD card tray, so I'm sorry for that one. So that goes out. There is only dual SIM card support. So let's grab our SIM, and you want to clip it into the tray. There is a retention bracket, so you do need to kind of like force it in there. It should be laying flush on the tray, and if you flip it upside down, it shouldn't be falling out of the tray. Once that's the case, you can insert it back into your device, and the card should start working. Oh, there we go, right away. So it's telling me to enter my SIM card pin. Okay, and that's it. The card is now unlocked, should connect to service and work. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.